I'm gonna tell you why 99% of the people that sell on Amazon private label fail and how the 1% are standing out and making all the money. So getting right into it, there are 3 main reasons why 99% of the people will fail with this Amazon private label business. And the first reason right now is because they are not testing enough. What I mean by that is people are not testing products, or maybe they'll launch one product and then maybe it won't do that well, so then they'll just quit. Be like, well, you know, I gave it my best, I launched one product and it didn't get that many sales as I wanted to, so private label doesn't work and it's dead, and then they'll go tell everybody that private label's dead, which is not the case. The most average, I would say, people usually take average probably like 2, 3, 4 products. Very likely you're able to strike gold on your first product. Of course, that's what you hear all the time, and that's what make people, you know, want to get into it. You know, I jumped in private label for 2 months and I made $1 million, you know. A lot of people want this get rich quick stuff, but it doesn't work like that. It can happen to literally 0.0001% of somebody, but will it happen to you likely? No. So you need to consistently test, you need to keep pushing new products, you need to keep trying new things, and literally don't be scared, because the worst case scenario, if it's not selling on Amazon, just get it shipped back to you, sell it on eBay, put it on Craigslist, just get rid of it, and you'll probably break even. So not testing is the first one. The second one is gonna be not having enough patience. Now, patience can relate to a lot of things with the Amazon private label business. I believe the first thing is product research. I know myself sometimes that I've been doing product research. I have days where I can just spend like 6 hours doing product research and I won't find one thing. And to give myself kind of more of a mental relief, I'll find a product after these like hours of not finding anything, and my mind will trick itself and be like, you know what, this is gonna be a good winner. And then I'll buy it, and then when I list it for sale and I get it all set and ready to go, it doesn't sell. And I'm like, yeah, I knew it wouldn't sell, but I just was getting impatient, and I rewired my mind to be like, no, this will sell, just so I could give myself relief from doing product research. So you need to take your time researching products, because I always say, I say this to my students, if you spend 1,000 hours, no, I'm sorry, if you spend 100 hours and you find one product that brings you in $10,000, you just made $100 an hour. Even if it took you 100 hours to find that one product, you made $100 an hour. It's totally worth it. And then in regards to launching your product and getting sales and getting reviews from it and bringing that to the front page, that can take a lot of time as well as running ads, doing automatic campaigns, manual campaigns, trying to find high converting keywords, figuring out what's profitable. That can take time as well. So it's a patience thing. It's with anything. I always say there's 1,000,001 ways to make $1 million, but everything works. But you just have to invest your time into one thing and just let it pay off. Everybody sees the outcome, but nobody sees the journey from all these other people, okay? I mean, you guys see like where I'm at, the numbers I'm doing, but you didn't see me working 50 hours a week, coming home, working 5 hours a day on Amazon, like not doing, like literally doing nothing, just trying to build this business and scale it. So patience is a major, major key. Okay. The third one is terrible practice. Now, when I say terrible practice, I mean like terrible business practice, or not really knowing how to use the Amazon formula and strategy effectively. You could have a really awesome product, and the product could even be selling amazing on Amazon. But if you create your listing and you do not have a clue about proper keyword research, how to write a very captivating title, how to do awesome quality images, you're not going to compete with these guys that literally have teams that work for them to do product photography, or have a team that literally can do like competitor keyword analysis and research and just create an awesome listing. It's not like eBay where you can find a product and take a picture of it, list it, write a little something about it, and then it can sell. Amazon is way, way more. It's just basically, it's an online Walmart. It's a humongous marketplace, and you need to stand out from everybody. So if your product numbers are amazing when you do product research and it hits the market and you're like, it's not selling, I don't know why, it's probably your listing. And if it's not your listing, it's probably your product. So 90% of the time when you are not making sales on Amazon, it's because of your product. A product will literally sell itself, but you have to have an amazing foundation for it. So just having a great business practice, having a great Amazon strategy will help you succeed. So the 1%, guys, always testing, always launching new stuff, just nonstop, just keep testing the market. Being patient is a major key, especially with product research and getting it shipped to you, having it shipped to Amazon, ranking it to the front page. I'm still working on products that it's been over a month and I haven't hit the front page yet. I have 10 new private labels that have hit Amazon's warehouse, and I'm waiting for that to rank slowly to the front page, and it takes time. It takes time, but you have to baby it. And once it hit the front page, and you just have to maintain it, it's a dream. It's a dream. All you have to do is just a little maintenance here and there. If you happen to slip, it's not that bad. Okay, but it's the journey getting there. And like I said, it's a journey that a lot of people don't see. And the 1% has awesome practice, and it's because the 1% has been doing it for a while. And you can learn as much as you want online, but when you start spending your own money, taking your own time, creating your own listings, seeing how the numbers work and split testing everything, then you'll really start to see, and you'll kind of get like an insider's knowledge that I can't personally teach you, because you have to do it for yourself. You learn the best by doing it yourself. There's only so much you can learn from me telling you until you have to execute it, and then that's when you start getting that insider quick, like, okay, I'm starting to get it. That's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. I wanna see you guys be the 1%, okay? I don't want you to quit. I don't want you to think it's too hard. If you're serious about this and you wanna make extra money on the side, get involved with it, because it's insanely doable. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the other videos. Take care.